How to change your due date in American Express. Good account management helps you to avoid unnecessary fees and helps you to maintain the account. That's why in this video, I'm going to teach you on one of the tips in order for you to stay on top of your bills. What we're gonna do first is go on searching up americanexpress.com, then log in your account. You can change your monthly payment due date through your online account, which is a few clicks away. Once you're there, you might want to pay interest on the top menu bar, then select Payments. Click on the Change Monthly Payment Due Date, and there you will see your current due date so that in the future, if ever you forgot about your exact due date, you can just re-log in and look online. Going back, there will be a drop-down menu that allows you to choose a new date. Take note that there are certain guidelines for you to follow on changing your due date. And also, once you're already on the part of choosing a preferred date, there may be some dates that are unavailable. Nonetheless, you can pick from the available ones. After that, you're done. You have now changed your American Express due date. That's all for today. See you next time for another video.